Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to review another traffic exchange site, which will be the next video for the whole series of traffic exchange sites reviews that I'm doing. Of course, I'm going to be comparing also results, showing some results, initial results for this site because I created account like 3 days ago. And as always, I'm gonna be using leadslib.com to show some results. Before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, also ring the bell so you won't miss any future videos. And the site we are talking today is called TRAFFICONIC.com. Alright, it's free to join 100%. I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video. Now, like I said, I created an account not longer than 3 days ago, maybe 2 days ago, a couple of days. And I'll say it right away, I'm almost 100% satisfied, and I'm going to explain that in a couple of minutes. Alright, so this is the dashboard of my account. I'm going to go through all the features very briefly, so I won't make a long video. Alright, so this is the dashboard, this is my profile picture. Basically the idea is simple as every other traffic exchange site, right? So you earn credits by surfing other people's sites, and then you use those credits, or in this case coins, to advertise your own site. Now this is the main menu, so let's go over these features one by one. Earn coins, this is the surfing part when you earn coins. And it's very simple. This page will display with all the listed sites that you can visit, and here it shows how many coins you will earn per site. So let's visit this site, and this traffic exchange site, it's backwards. So first you have to solve the CAPTCHA here, whatever is required, and then the surfing session will start. So please identify orange ball is this one. Now the surfing will start, and here is the ad from another user, and these are the seconds that this user chose to display his or her ad, right? And the moment it's done, that's it. This message will appear. You can close this window, and you get back here. You have to refresh the page, and other ads, other links to click to visit will be displayed with different amount of coins that you can earn. For example, this one here, you earn 50 coins. So let's go there, solve the CAPTCHA. Windows icon is this one, obviously. And then this is 20 seconds timer. Okay, but while after solving the CAPTCHA, you can leave this window and the timer will run off until it goes to 0. And as you notice here, the moment you refresh, you will be earning coins accordingly. Alright, so this is basically it. I'm not gonna go through that. This is basically it, how to earn coins. You can also buy coins. You can check this out if you're interested on buy coins. And this is the VIP membership. Now TRAFFICONIC has around 15,000 users and only two kind of membership: basic, the free membership, which I am and you will be if you sign up, and of course the VIP membership, which is $30 per month. And you can see all these differences. The same amount of coins you can spend per site, we're gonna get into that, and these are the coins that you earn as a daily bonus. We're gonna get into that as well, and other stuff here. You can check it out. Now there is one big thing I don't like about this site already, and that's the affiliate program. Since we are here, let me clarify that part. So as you can see, if you bring referrals, you will earn 2,500 coins and $0.01 for each active member. Alright, they have to surf at least 50 pages, they have to visit at least 50 links in order to be counted as active, and you will receive the cash. But the downside, and the thing that I don't like, is that you don't get any other commission from your referrals. So if your referrals upgrade to VIP membership for $30 per month, you will get nothing, 0%. Alright, so you will earn from your referrals only one time, $0.01, and the amount of coins 2500. Nothing ever again. So this is the big thing that I don't like about this site. And probably some of you maybe are going now, so why do you use it? Well, that's the other part of the coin, the other side of the coin. I use it because it provides quality traffic, and I'm going to show you that when I show some results with Leads Leap. Alright, so let's continue with the other features of the menu. Transfer coins. This is a VIP membership feature. You can transfer coins to your downline if you want, and we already covered the affiliate part. Here are some banners you can promote, and of course your affiliate link, direct referral link, which is right here on the left side. Alright, now let's go back to the dashboard and now start with the features on the left menu. So this is how you can advertise on TRAFFICONIC, as you can see here or here on the dashboard. You can advertise through websites, you can create website, banners, or you can create both of them. And that's it. That's another thing that I don't really like about this, because you cannot send solo ads, you cannot create text ads, etc. But that is relevant. To me, it's not a big problem though, I'm gonna be honest about it. I don't like it that they don't have it as a feature, but for me it's not a big problem. I use websites only on this side. Now, how to create a website? You just click here, add a website. It's quite simple. Enter your URL, enter a title that will attract attention, and here is where you decide how long you want your ad to be displayed. So for 51 coins you will spend, your ad will run for 20 seconds, and the visitor that visits your ad will earn 50 coins. So 20 seconds, but you can also choose. The minimum is 26 coins, which is 10 seconds, and the maximum is 51 coins, 20 seconds. Now, daily visit, you can set a limit here, or you can leave it disabled, which means unlimited visit. The same goes here, and then you click add page. Simple as that. So I already created 2 websites in order to test it, and the second link I deleted and refreshed it today, because unfortunately here you cannot delete the URL. You have to, you cannot edit the URL. You have to delete the site first in order to edit the URL. Now, all I wanted to do was edit the title, but when I saw that you couldn't add the URL, I thought I'd delete it and create it again from the beginning. I didn't notice this part. Alright? So, let me show you some results about the traffic that I got until now. Let's go back to my Leads Leap account, and this is the link that I'm promoting, the link that I just showed on TRAFFICONIC. And let's see some result. There you go. TRAFFICONIC.com, 3 responses out of 55 real people. Now, for those who already use Leads Leap, you know that this is a good conversion, a good percentage, right? Usually, normally, the percentage here is below 1. Okay, so, and then again, you also see the total amount of traffic comparing to the response, right? Comparing to also other sites, as I've been showing in my last videos for traffic exchange sites. Okay, so this is the reason why I'm using TRAFFICONIC. It provides quality traffic. Alright, now let's get back to that and continue with other features. This is the part that I wanted to clarify right away, because this is the reason, the main reason why I'm using it. It provides real traffic. I mean, I've been using it like for 3 days, like I said, so it's quite effective. It seems to be quite effective. Again, I'm going to be using it a lot more and record another video showing my second results and giving my final opinion for this site, if it's worth it or no, for me at least. Alright, so you can also create banner ads, but banners are you need to have a lot of coins to create banners, because you can purchase them through coins, with coins, for a certain amount of time. For example, for 2 days, one banner would cost you 1500 coins. For 30 days is 20,000 coins. Alright, so if you want, you can earn coins, you can save them until you reach the wanted amount, and then you can purchase banner, and your banner will be shown probably right here or in the footer, depending. Alright, rewards. Now this is the daily reward, which I already have, and as a free member you get 250 coins as a daily reward. You just have to log in, you just go to rewards and claim your bonus. Simple as that. Redeem coupon. If you have a coupon upon signing up, you can use it and you will get your reward. Lucky wheel. As you can imagine, you can spin the wheel and earn different prices up to 0.01 in cash, and for each spin you will spend 100 coins. Lottery. You can buy also lottery tickets to play the lottery and earn different prices, always in coins, no cash involved. And here are some instructions how you can play the lottery game. Website directory. Now this is where you can find a lot of information, a lot of features here from TRAFFICONIC, etc. This is TRAFFICONIC website directory, you can check it out. Okay, and members chat room. Of course, here is where you can chat with other members. This feature is already present in other traffic exchange sites, but it doesn't show in the surfing area, it shows here. It has a page for itself. And my level shows the level which I'm at, and apparently there are 5 levels. Alright, now the first level doesn't require any visits, the second level is with 100,000 visits, so the moment you reach 100,000 visits you will pass to the second level, which it doesn't have any difference for free members. Okay, and again until the 5th level. For free members, again, it doesn't change anything. The changes are on the VIP bonuses, and again, no money involved, just coins, the thing that I don't like. Alright, so this is basically it about this site, guys. I wanted to record this video only because I was really surprised to see this type of results, right? I mean, I've been using a lot of traffic exchange sites, and within this short amount of time I never got such results, except for 1 or maybe 2 sites, including Lead Sleep. Alright, so I think this is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm going to leave my referral link in the description of this video, so you can join it for free under me if you want to. And don't mind about getting referrals or not. I suggest you use this site for traffic, as I shown through the results. So this is it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you again, and cheers.